Many times you might want to see what are the files in a given directory and work with them. In this video, we'll take a look at the OS_lister method and the glob method for listing files in folders, or for listing files based on a certain file extension. You might also be interested in our video on how to check and see if a directory exists. We'll start by importing OS. As it is a built-in library, you don't need to install it, you can simply import it. The lister method returns a list of files and folders in a given directory. We can construct a simple loop to iterate through each one. If we don't pass any arguments to the lister method, it will assume we're referring to our current working directory. Alternatively, we can designate a specific file path. As file paths have backslashes, which is an escape character, we shall treat it as a raw string by using an R preceding the string. Using the glob module allows much simpler ways for pattern matching and expansion, and gives us the ability to list full path names, or list files of a certain extension. Let's import the built-in glob module. We can construct a simple for loop similar to what we did with lister, except that the glob method requires a path to be passed as a parameter. To list all the files in the current directory, we can simply put in an asterisk. The asterisk is called a wildcard in pattern matching, which means match any character. We will get into more details in our regex videos. So by putting in the wildcard, it returns all of the listed files. If we only wanted to find text files in our directory, we could follow the asterisk with the .txt extension. Now, only the text files will be printed. For more Python tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to the PyPros channel.